Hello guys, and today I'll show you a little Microsoft program software. If you want, it's not that we not know for them. It's PC Manager, but it's a new version of PC Manager, and it's have some new feature, and really it's really nice tool. When you download it, and now you'll see what we have all new here. When you at Home tab, you have health check your PC, and you see, let's see, proceed. Now let's see, is health boost 6 apps in procedure. Let's see, it must work. Okay, and you see here you can clean up your disk cleanup. Now I'll cancel this. It's update my PC and you'll see. And on startup, and now you have protection. As you can see, you can scan your PC. You can storage. You can check your storage, deep clean or large file, and you can see what you want. If you want something to delete, and you can choose how much, what size you want, and storage sense. And here it's for see what is mine. Yes, it's open storage sense. Sorry. It will open for you. It will work for you some. And now I was storage sense, and storage sense will open. And apps, as you see now, startups, like I said, as you will see in the toolbox. What is interesting for me, you can Bing Translator, and what it is. He'll open Bing Translator, and you want screenshot, you will get a screenshot. Take screen, and it's take screenshot, as you see here. If you want to recorder, it will recorder for you. Show toolbar, as you see now. It's open, everything. I'm I'm click mode. If you want calculator, now I'll open calculator for you, as you see here. And have if you want capture, say screenshot, bring current converter, or PDF editing, or conversation of office. And here you have some settings and start boost if you want to. You can restore the default settings, choose language, and it's really nice, nice for me. So here, let's see, boost. It's not setting something, but can you see here? Check for update if you have some updates, and it's really nice, nice tool. That is a new version of PC Manager, so you can download it and install. I will leave a link in the description where you can download it, but I think that you can install on Microsoft Store. But now, where, as you see here, where from site where was I download it, and from there. Now it's looking some for updates, and that's all for now, guys. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and bye.